Well, good morning. We are harvesting out of our spinach jungle this morning. Raphael is using a ladder. He's getting up as high as he can. We got leaves all the way up 8, 10, all the way up to 15 feet tall, reaching for the sky. And this is a wonderful, wonderful superfood. I want to show you here. This one's just a little bit older, this row. And of course, it's just a jungle. It's our spinach jungle. See if I can get down low and show you how far. A 200-foot row full of this stuff. We can never outpick it. It just keeps growing. But look, this is very important. You know that it's coming to an end. Once it starts seeding, now these seeds, if I squish them with my hands, they will stain my fingers for a few hours with purple, kind of a purple dye, but it comes out real easy. What you need to do is just harvest these things. See, they just come right off. And you'll be able to see a little bit of purple dye on my fingers there, I'm sure. Just crush it, there it is. And so these things, put them in the sun for a few days until they get as hard and small as a peppercorn. When you do that, they are ready to grow. Each one of these plants will produce hundreds, if not thousands, of seeds. It's the greatest seed time and harvest plant I think I've ever seen. It's unbelievable. So one plant will give you thousands of plants. All you got to do is dry them in the sun, put them back in the ground again. And what's really great is when we're growing these, I don't see any right now, but a lot of times if you'll grow these plants in the same place for a period of time, you will get so many volunteers coming out of the ground, you'll never have to seed again. And that's the way it is with us. We've got thousands of volunteer seeds growing all over the place. And so when it's time to grow another row, each one of our rows holds 300 plants, and we just go get 300 volunteers and we're off and running. They're already started. So that's it for the spinach jungle. This is Malabar spinach. There's two kinds, the green stem and the purple stem. For our area and for our purposes, the green grows a lot better, a lot stronger, and a lot longer. The purple doesn't like it here. It doesn't mean it won't like it in your place, but just choose the best for you. Either one of them produces a great superfood. And the great things, insects don't like this stuff. We never have to spray it. All we do is plant it, water it, fertilize a little bit with our secret blend of fertilizer, and then we come in and harvest. We can harvest every day or every week until this probably burns out. 120 to 150 days, this jungle will be done. Then we will pull it. You'll know when it's done when all of the leaves start turning yellow. Once they start turning yellow, it's done. Get your new plants in the ground right now. Like this here just turned yellow. That means we need to get new plants in the ground right now to replace this spinach jungle for when it goes down in the next 30 days. Hope that helps today. Malabar spinach, this is one of our favorite plants in the whole world.